Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, just finished, really simple but beautiful cream garlic chicken pasta. Doesn't take that long, and by God, does it taste good. Let's go and have a look at the ingredients. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be using today. So chicken breast I'm using with no skin, no bone, cut into nice strips. A little bit of oregano, some sliced garlic, quite a lot of garlic, some Parmesan cheese, some onions. I've cut my onions really small. We've got our pasta here. You can use any pasta that you want. I'm using this fusilli, but penne, spaghetti, anything you like. Just get it cooked and ready. And then cream. We're using cooking cream for this. Now what I've done is I've left a lot of information below, if you look in the text below the video, about creams, because in America you have no idea what I'm now talking about. So yeah, different creams, half and half, heavy, like that. Basically any cream works, but take a look down below and it'll explain the differences. That's about it. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. Of course, we're going to add a bit of salt and pepper. Super easy, super delicious. Okay, so I've got a little pan here. I'm using a little wok. Got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you could be using olive oil or something like that. We're going to start off by dropping in that garlic. And like I say, quite a lot of garlic I'm using, and I've cut it just sliced, so it's quite chunky. Chop it if you want. To that we're going to add onion. For this amount, that's like one medium-sized onion, cut nice and small. Again, if you wanted, you could just be slicing that. Simply, on a fairly lively heat, let's cook this for about 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. And there we go, it's got a nice bit of colour on there. It's at this point we're now going to add in our chicken. Like I say, chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into kind of nice thin strips so it will cook quite nicely. While we're here, let's get a little bit of salt in the mix and some black pepper. Generous amount of black pepper for me. And then we're going to add our dried herb. Like I say, today I'm using oregano or oregano, as some of you call that. But if you want, think about basil, rosemary, thyme, or even one of those Italian kind of mixed herbs you can get on the market. Okay, staying on this heat, let's go for about another 4 minutes now. Wonderful. So, because the chicken is no skin, no bone, and cut quite thin, it cooks really quickly. Now we're going to add that cream. So, just over half a pint of cream, I suppose, in there. And like I say, please do look below for details on the different types of creams, because our American friends are completely different in that regard to us in the UK and Australia. Okay, there we go. Now a bit of Parmesan. Just going to get a little bit of decent Parmesan in there while this is cooking. We're still on a high heat. What will happen is that looks really thin, but the Parmesan in here is going to really thicken that up. You could be adding a bit of mozzarella or cheddar if you wanted. And also think about adding, you know, a bit of cayenne pepper if you wanted. Think about some olives in there, some mushrooms. Play around with it. I'm keeping it nice and simple for you today. Okay, that's enough of our cheese. And you can see that thickening already, that cream, that cheese in there. Fantastic. Okay, simply now we're going to add in our cooked pasta. So in that goes. For me, fusilli, like I say, you could be using something else. Stay on this heat. And throw this around in the pan for like 2 to 3 minutes and get some heat through that pasta, because it's actually cold now. And of course get some of that amazing, beautiful cream sauce that we have. That is it. You've got a fantastic, super easy chicken creamy garlic pasta there. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below. Helps us out a great deal and you'll get notifications. And that's it. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.